deixa-me que comenci dient que per mi és un honor rebre aquest premi. And I'm very, very sad not to be able to be with you tonight, and I hope that everyone's having a wonderful evening, and I just wish I was there, but I'm afraid I'm stuck in Washington, D.C. I am hugely, hugely honoured to get this award. I think the Sàpiens Awards are very special. I'm honoured and pleased, not just on the part of me myself, though I have to say I really am delighted, but I am honoured on the part of the ancient Romans too, because my book wouldn't have been possible without them, and it's wonderfully reassuring to think that people are still interested in finding out why the Romans matter, why they might be relevant to us today, what their virtues and their vices, let's be honest, were. And I'm very, very pleased that people have enjoyed it. So if I was with you, I'd be raising a glass to the Romans. Thank you very much. Bona nit. Moltes gràcies.